heavily that night. Not normal rain. The kind of rain that hits the roof so hard you can't even hear your own thoughts. Thunder was striking every few minutes. The whole house felt restless. I don't know why, but that night felt different. Since my husband died, I had gotten used to being alone. Quiet nights, empty bed, no one calling my name. But that night, something didn't feel right. Around 11:47 p.m., there was a knock on my door. I froze. Who would be knocking in this kind of rain? I sat still, hoping maybe I imagined it. Then thunder struck. GBM! And immediately after, another knock, louder this time. My heart started beating fast. I stood up slowly. Every step I took toward the door felt heavy. I checked through the window, but because of the rain, I couldn't see clearly, just a shadow standing there. I almost didn't open it, but something inside me said, "Open the door." With shaking hands, I unlocked it, and slowly I pulled it open. At first I saw nothing, just heavy rain pouring down, then thunder flashed, and for a second I saw him standing there. My breath stopped. It was my husband. The same face, the same clothes he wore the day we buried him wet from the rain. I staggered backward. No, this is not real. My voice was shaking, but he just stood there looking at me, not speaking, not moving, just looking. Tears started rolling down my eyes. I watched you die. I buried you. How are you here? He took one step forward, and finally he spoke softly. "I came because you haven't let me go." At that moment, thunder crashed again, and I broke down completely, crying, shaking, confused. "I don't know how to let go," I said. "I sleep alone every night. I talk to your pictures. I'm tired." He looked at me with so much calm, not scary, not angry, just peaceful. Then he said something I will never forget. "You're holding on to pain, not to me." The rain kept pouring, but suddenly everything felt quiet, like the world paused just for that moment. He stepped closer, but somehow it didn't feel like fear anymore. It felt like closure. "Live again," he said. "Love again, even if it's hard." I was crying so much I could barely see him. Then another lightning flash came, and just like that, he was gone. No footsteps, no shadow, nothing, just rain. That night I didn't sleep. But for the first time since he died, I felt something I hadn't felt in a long time. Peace. Now, whenever it rains heavily, I don't feel fear. I just remember his words, and slowly, I'm learning to live again.